What is going on, y'all? Mamba here, back with another trade review and market recap. Today is 3:20 of Thursday. Let's go over today's session and the trades. So coming into today, if we look at yesterday, we had a strong rally based off of FOMC news, and then we were making like highs and whatnot in the pre-market. But then once we hit like London time zone, we had a aggressive sell-off, and then I was actually looking at shorts to start the day just because we were forming this H pattern. So let me try to draw that. We're forming like this H pattern, and usually if we get continuation below these levels, it's a bearish signal. So I was either watching for us to break and retest and even go lower, but then right off the opening we kind of failed to go lower, I mean. So we sold off, and then we straight rallied over the level, and once we rallied over the level, I wasn't looking for shorts anymore. So from there I was kind of looking for longs. The longs were kind of hard to find. We had a lot of consolidation up here. I did try to zoom into the 1 minute to try to find a better entry, but it was really hard to get a good entry with a good risk reward. I did enter around these areas, and then I took like some paper cut losses, but it was only like 10 points or so. So I kind of just was patient for some kind of pullback, and I did miss this entry because it was only a 1 bar pullback. It didn't look that great to me, so I was patient. We did rally a lot, and then once we got like this 3 to 4 bar pullback, this is where I entered. So I was risking about 29 to make about like 80 points or so. So that was a really good trade. I scaled out at the pre-market high, and then once we hit these highs, I scaled out the rest of my position. And since we didn't take out these London high and Asia high yet, I was able to find another entry. So we had another 2 to 3 bar pullback, and then I was doing the 2-minute continuation setup to target these untested Asia high and London high. So the way markets move is like there's like a draw to liquidity areas, and these session highs, they're kind of called kill zones. These are great draws for liquidity, and that's basically where my targets were. Once that happened, once we take out the liquidities, you can actually look for shorts, but I had like a couple break-even trades and a really 2 good solid trades, so I kind of just called it a day there. I didn't want to overtrade. But once we take out liquidity and then we kind of take out some of the structure, you can go for shorts. So this would have been a really good short down into like the daily open of the candle, or if you really want to short, you can short down to the level. This is probably going to take a while. You can take that short, or you could potentially take this short, because once we started like to trend down, even though we're in an uptrend, we're starting to make lower lows and potential lower highs. So you definitely could have shorted the market from there, but I didn't take those setups. I had 2 really good winners to target these liquidity areas, and then I called it a day. So great day overall. Yielded about 5k, I believe. Let me see. Yeah, so yielded about 5k in earnings today, in trading profits, and I'm happy with that. With that being said, you'll have a good one. Peace.